Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare KDE, GNOME, XFCE, and Cinnamon. KDE, GNOME, XFCE, and Cinnamon are popular Linux desktop environments, each catering to different users' preferences. KDE Plasma is a highly customizable and visually appealing, offering a feature-rich desktop. It is ideal for users who want full control over every aspect of their system. GNOME provides a clean, modern, and minimal interface. It focuses on simplicity and workflow efficiency, although customization options are limited. XFCE is a lightweight and fast desktop environment. It is perfect for older hardware and users who prioritize performance over visuals. Cinnamon combines a traditional desktop layout with modern features. It offers a balanced experience with ease of use and visual polish. While KDE and Cinnamon emphasize aesthetic and customization, GNOME focuses on simplicity and XFCE prioritizes speed and efficiency. In short, KDE is best for customizers, GNOME for minimalists, XFCE for performance, and Cinnamon for a comfortable, familiar experience. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.